Shwmae and welcome. Today I've headed to the wild, empty uplands of mid-Wales, where I'm going to be taking a walk up Pumlumon Fawr, which is the highest peak in the Cambrian mountain range. Now, this moderately challenging hike is perfect for those wanting to find some solitude, escape the crowds and reconnect with nature. So let's get into it.
Located in the centre of Wales in the county of Ceredigion, Pumlumon Fawr translates to 5 beacons in English. I will be ascending via the Caradog Jones Trail, which is the shortest of the 5 routes to the 752 metre summit. The 3.8 mile route, which involves just over 400 metres of elevation gain, is named after local mountaineer Caradog Jones, who in 1995 became the first Welshman to reach the summit of Mount Everest. The trail is only accessible by car via a 5-mile drive from the village of Ponterwyd. On the drive in, you'll pass by the beautiful Nantymoch reservoir. Please note there are no facilities located at the start point, so make sure you use the toilet beforehand and have both food and water available for the duration of the hike.
Now, the start point of the Caradog Jones Trail is where I am stood. It's accessed via driving along a narrow single-track mountain road. Now, you'll know you've reached it when you reach this set of waterfalls which crosses underneath the road. You can't go any further because you'll find yourself blocked by 2 metal farm gates just above a set of brick houses. Now, there's only space for around 4 to 5 cars in the small little laybys around this river. However, if these are full, which I doubt they will be, you're going to have to find one of the other laybys located slightly further back down the mountain road. Now, the trail starts by simply following the path along the left-hand side of the waterfall. So let's crack on. Now, after around 2 kilometers, you'll reach the subsidiary summit of Plynlimon Vach. This stands at 664 meters and has magnificent views back over the Nantymoch reservoir and looking northwards towards Cadair Idris and southern Snowdonia. Now, the Cambrian mountains are known as the last wilderness of Wales, and that is for good reason. This trail isn't at all marked and you won't find a visitor centre or toilets anywhere to be seen. Secondary to that, you'll also find a distinct lack of other walkers, and that's what makes this hike so appealing. Please be safe and follow the Adventure Smart UK guidelines. Be appropriately equipped and dressed, alongside carrying either a paper map and compass or having the route downloaded to your phone using a proper navigation app such as Ordnance Survey. Right, I'm gonna make one final push up to the summit. Let's crack on. So I've made the final 650 metre ascent up to the summit of Plynlimon Fawr, which I'm currently sat on. Now, at 752 metres, this is not only the highest point in the Cambrian mountains, but also the county of Ceredigion. The summit is also the source of 3 different rivers, including the Wye, Rhyddle and River Severn. Now, if you're lucky enough to ascend on a day like today with the conditions I have, you'll be greeted by 360-degree panoramic views over the majority of Wales. It's simply a green desert of rolling hills with nothing to see but the land itself. It's absolutely magnificent. Now looking southeast, you'll be able to see towards the Brecon Beacons National Park, where you could pick out the peaks of Pen y Fan and Corndy alongside the Black Mountains. Looking southwest, you'll be able to see over Cardigan Bay and the Preseli Hills, and looking northwards, you'll be able to see the Llyn Peninsula and southern Snowdonia, including Cadair Idris. It truly is a magnificent view. Right, once you finish taking in the sensational views, you simply turn around and retrace your steps back to Plynlimon Fawr, and from there you bear right down to the reservoir. Let's finish off the walk. So I've made it down to Llyn Llygad Redol, a gorgeous glacial lake set beneath the mountainside. Take care when making your descent. It is very steep and can be quite slippery underfoot. Now this used to be a natural glacial lake, however it has been dammed in order to provide the town of Aberystwyth with fresh water. It's owned and operated by Welsh Water, and unfortunately it isn't safe to go swimming in. However, I would recommend stopping here on the way back down in order to take in the gorgeous views. On a day like today, when there's zero wind, you get crystal clear reflections and it's extremely tranquil. Now, to get back to your car, you simply follow the gravel bridleway as it wraps around the mountain. When you get to the section you initially crossed over, bear right and retrace your steps back to the car. Right, let's go. So I've made it back to my car and the start point from this hike. An absolutely majestical hike and one I'd thoroughly recommend. A couple of points though, do save it for a good day. Not only are the views sensational at the top and you don't want to miss out, because the trail isn't signposted, navigating in good weather will make it a lot easier. Make sure you wear the appropriate footwear. Now, the majority of that hike is extremely boggy, so a pair of waterproof boots that are mid to high cut will go a long way. Sections of the trail are quite steep, so some people may struggle. I tackled it in an anti-clockwise direction, but you can do it clockwise. The only reason I would tackle it in an anti-clockwise direction is because the segment between Plynlimon Fawr and the reservoir is very steep, and I'd much rather descend than ascend it. Anyway, that's it for me. I hope you found this video useful and enjoyable, and hopefully you'll come along and try this trail for yourselves. Thanks for watching. Until next time, diolch yn fawr.